guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, welcome back. All right, so we're just gonna get straight into it. So I got 3 items from Louis Vuitton, and I'm gonna show you all what I got. So first, let me just show you all the packaging. I mean, I don't think it's anything new to y'all, but this is what it looks like. It's nicely packaged. That's one thing I can definitely say about Louis Vuitton. I love their packaging. Alright, so hold on. The first item is so I got this top. It's a very simple top, nothing's on the back. Yeah, very basic. But I loved this detail, the little chain detail right here. Loved it. Yeah, basically it. Alright, so now for the second item. So I think this is a dress. This has to be a dress. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. Basically the same thing. I just get the hammer with this. Alright, so ooh. Why this looks different from how it looks on the sides. Anyways, alright, so this is a dress, guys. Come closer. It just has the LV monogram all over, and it has a zipper in the back. So yeah. Oh, and it also has the LV monogram in the sleeves. Not the sleeves, the straps. Here. All right, so yeah, now for the final item, which is the biggest box. They come in dust bags like this, the Louis Vuitton. All right, so this is what the shoe looks like. And the LV going all around. Has a zip in the side, also has a monogram here, very cute, and it has some nice gold details. Love that. So yeah, that's basically it. And of course the next one look the same way. The same shoes. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also comment down below if you guys want to see more of these kind of videos on my channel, because I'll definitely do them. And yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.